Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making some homemade chili, very hearty, very delicious. For this recipe, we are going to need 1 onion, 1 red bell pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 pound of ground beef, 2 cans of pinto beans. Then we are going to need a can of diced tomatoes, a can of tomato sauce, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Next, we are going to add sausage to the chili. So I have here a jalapeno cheese sausage that I'm going to cook. We also need 2 cups of beef broth, and that is about it. Today we're going to use a 6-quart pot to cook everything in there, except for the sausage, which I will cook separately. This pan right here, this is just a 3-quart pan. I will cook the sausage separately on here and then add it to the chili at the end. Okay guys, so I almost forgot to go over some of the spices that we're gonna need. So for this recipe, I used ground cumin, oregano, chili powder, cayenne for the spice, black pepper and salt. That's it. Ready? All right, I need a minute. All right, now for the garlics. So back in my college days, I didn't know how to cook at all. And so I would crave chili sometimes, like on a hot dog or on Fritos to make a Frito pie. And so what I would do is I would just buy the canned chili that's already made at the grocery store. And I didn't even know what to do with that. So I had to look up a YouTube video on how to heat up a can of chili. And little did I know, all you had to do was put it on the stove and heat it up on the stove. But yeah, so if I can make this recipe now, you guys can do it too. I used to know nothing about cooking. Now that I see that the onions and bell peppers are almost cooked, almost done, I'm going to add the ground beef. I added 1 pound of ground beef. At this point you can just smell the garlic and the beef and everything together, and it smells so good. So it looks like the ground beef is fully cooked, so I'm gonna put the flame at a low. And whoops, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. All right, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of chili powder. 1, 2, and we're going to do half a tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and then 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne powder, cayenne pepper. Ooh, it smells so good. Okay, we have 1 can of diced tomatoes, 2 cans of pinto beans. So there's 1. Mix that all together. All right, 2 cups of beef broth. Ooh, yes. Now we are going to let that simmer and cook off some of that water. And now we are going to cook the sausage separately. That smells good. And I want to leave the oil of the sausage in this pan. I don't want to transfer it over, so I have a little spatula with some holes in it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like the recipe. I hope that you guys try it. It's so good. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Let's keep eating this. So good.